Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the realm of scientific exploration, the advent of digital technology has revolutionized the way researchers and enthusiasts observe the microscopic world. LCD digital microscopes represent a cutting-edge fusion of optics and electronics, providing users with an immersive and convenient way to delve into the intricate details of microscopic specimens. These advanced instruments offer a real-time display through LCD screens, eliminating the need for traditional eyepieces and facilitating easy sharing of observations. As the demand for digital microscopy continues to soar, a myriad of options flood the market. To assist you in navigating this sea of choices, we present the top 5 best LCD digital microscopes. These selected models stand out for their exceptional imaging capabilities, user-friendly features, and overall reliability, making them indispensable tools for researchers, educators, and hobbyists alike. Join us on a journey to explore the finest LCD digital microscopes that are at the forefront of modern microscopy. Number 5. Elikliv EDM501 Digital Microscope. The EDM501's portability is one of its standout features. Crafted from durable plastic, this handheld digital microscope is not only lightweight, but also boasts a sleek and modern design in an elegant black color. Its compact size makes it easy to carry anywhere, transforming any space into a potential microscopic exploration zone. With a magnification ratio ranging from 1500x to 3000x, the EDM501 provides users with an unprecedented level of detail. The achromatic objective lens delivers sharp and clear images, allowing for a close-up view of specimens that was previously unimaginable. The real angle of view at 178 degrees ensures that nothing escapes your scrutiny, providing a comprehensive look at the microscopic world. The video microscope theory combined with LED light source technology results in a high-definition visual experience. The LED lights illuminate specimens evenly, revealing intricate details with clarity. Whether you are examining biological samples, minerals, or electronic components, the EDM501 ensures a vivid and detailed display. Number 4. Elikliv EDM602 Digital Microscope. The EDM602's sleek design and durable plastic construction make it a portable and sturdy companion for any microscopy adventure. The monocular drawtube adds to its ergonomic design, ensuring comfortable use even during prolonged sessions. The black color gives it a sophisticated and modern look. With a remarkable magnification ratio ranging from 1500x to 3000x, the EDM602 allows you to explore intricate details with astonishing clarity. The achromatic objective lens delivers sharp, distortion-free images, and the 178-degree real angle of view ensures a comprehensive visual experience. The LED light source provides bright and uniform illumination, enhancing the visibility of your subject. One of the standout features of the EDM602 is its compatibility. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, this microscope seamlessly integrates with both operating systems. Additionally, its compatibility with TVs expands the viewing experience, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Number 3. Elikliv SPTV Digital Microscope. The microscope's metal construction not only gives it a robust feel, but also ensures durability. The design is sleek and modern, with attention to detail evident in every aspect. The binocular drawtube is a thoughtful addition, providing a comfortable and immersive viewing experience. The standout feature of the Elikliv SPTV is its high-definition digital imaging capabilities. The 7-inch or 9-inch display delivers crisp and clear images, allowing for an in-depth examination of specimens. The digital interface is user-friendly, making it easy to capture and save images for further analysis. With a magnification ratio ranging from 40x to an astounding 1600x, this microscope caters to a wide range of applications. Whether inspecting intricate biological samples or conducting detailed material analysis, the Elikliv SPTV excels in providing precise and sharp magnification. Number 2. Elikliv ERM101 Digital Microscope. The Elikliv ERM101 boasts an impressive magnification range of 1500x to 3000x, providing crystal-clear images that reveal the intricate details of microscopic specimens. The high-definition optics deliver sharp, vibrant visuals, making it a joy to delve into the microscopic realm with unparalleled clarity. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, the microscope exudes robustness, while maintaining a sleek and modern design. The build quality ensures longevity, making it a reliable companion for any microscopy enthusiast or professional researcher. The monocular drawtube adds to its user-friendly design, allowing for comfortable and ergonomic use. Equipped with LED lighting, the ERM101 offers adjustable illumination to suit various specimens. The real angle of view at 120 degrees ensures uniform lighting across the field, minimizing shadows and enhancing the overall viewing experience. Whether observing biological samples or inanimate objects, the lighting versatility ensures optimal visibility. Number 1. Elikliv EDM12 Digital Microscope. The EDM12 boasts an impressive magnification ratio ranging from 500x to 1500x, allowing users to explore the minutest details with remarkable clarity. The 10-inch LCD screen display ensures that the visuals are crisp and vibrant, providing an immersive viewing experience. Designed with portability in mind, the EDM12 is a game-changer for anyone who needs to take their microscope on the go. The aluminum alloy construction ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight feel. The wireless remote control adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing users to operate the microscope effortlessly from a distance. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or an inquisitive student, the EDM12 caters to a wide range of users, from soldering and electronics inspection to watch clock repair and industrial quality inspection. This microscope proves its mettle. The UV filter lens camera is a standout feature, enhancing the precision and quality of observations. Thanks for watching this video.